What's the meaning of abstemious? Abstemious. 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 The word abstemious means marked by restraint, especially in the consumption of food or alcohol. It is an antonym of gluttonous. An abstemious person may eat or drink in moderation, or they may abstain from certain foods or drinks altogether. Abstemiousness can be motivated by a variety of factors, such as health, religious beliefs, or personal preference. Here are some examples of how the word abstemious can be used in a sentence. The abstemious monk ate only a small portion of food. The abstemious athlete gave up drinking alcohol in order to improve their performance. The abstemious person chose not to eat any cake at the party.